Hello Finance Geek, and welcome back to our channel Finance with Angelina. Are you interested in investing in real estate? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, here are 5 tips and insights to keep in mind. Point 1. Research. Real estate investing requires a significant amount of research. Make sure you thoroughly research the location, the property, the potential rental income, and the local real estate market. It's also important to understand the different types of real estate investments, such as single-family homes, multi-unit properties, and commercial property. 2. Crunch the numbers. Once you've done your research, it's time to crunch the numbers. This means calculating the potential return on investment, factoring in expenses such as maintenance, property taxes, insurance, and potential vacancy rates. Make sure to be conservative in your estimates and leave some wiggle room for unexpected expenses. 3. Consider financing options. Real estate investments can be expensive, so it's important to consider financing options. Options include traditional mortgages, hard money loans, and private lenders. Make sure to research the pros and cons of each option and choose the one that's best for your investment strategy. 4. Build a network. Real estate investing is a people business, so it's important to build a network of professionals such as real estate agents, property managers, contractors, and attorneys. They can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. 5. Have an exit strategy. Finally, it's important to have an exit strategy in place before you make a real estate investment. This means thinking about how you will sell the property, whether you'll hold onto it long-term, or sell it for a profit. Having a clear exit strategy can help you make better investment decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Aerial shot of a city skyline with the voiceover saying, "Investing in real estate can be a lucrative way to grow your wealth." By following these tips and insights, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.